Hi, this is Krista at The Secret Yarnery. Welcome to our June 2018 crochet along, which is going to be Granny Square Tote. So what you're going to need to get ready, how you're going to start to get ready, is just get your supplies. So what you're going to need is some fabric. About 1 meter should be fine, depending on how big you want your bag to be and what you have on hand. If you're going to go get something in particular, you're welcome to do that, or just use what you have around the house. It does not have to match. We're going to do some pockets on the inside so you can use up some scraps. Even an old pillowcase would work, a bit of an old sheet. It doesn't have to be super fancy. I'm going to be using this fabric here, which is just a regular cotton. Well, regular. It's super fabulous African fabric from Uganda. So it's a waxed cotton. And it's thin. Well, you can't see through it, but you can see through it pretty much. Not cheesecloth, but it's not very high quality when it comes to cotton. It's just kind of regular. But it's just for a lining of a bag. It'll be perfect. So you're going to need 2 squares, the same size as your granny squares-ish, a little bit bigger so we can, have a seam allowance would be great. So 2 squares, about the same size as your squares, and a long strip, say 6 inches wide, and as long as to go around all 3 sides of your bag plus the strap. So that's going to keep our bag from stretching out on the handle. And that's pretty much all we're going to do. You can decide what you're doing with your granny squares, how big they're going to be. So 2 big ones, front and back, like that. And then also little ones for the side. And we're going to join them as you go, or you can stitch them together if you don't want to join as you go. But I'll teach you how to join as you go as the cal progresses. We'll do it together if you want to wait for me. If you're totally a crocheter, just go for it. I'm thinking maybe like 3 round granny squares for the edges, because I want my bag kind of like to be like a little messenger bag or a book bag. And then we're going to stitch them together. We're going to make a big long row of the small granny squares and stitch them together with single crochet to form the actual bag. So if you want to whip ahead and bust that out, absolutely go for it. If you want to wait for me, I'll have the cal coming out on Friday. So feel free to wait for me. If you're in a rush, just go for it. There's tons. I've made these, I'm still deciding on my color combo. My first one, not happy with it. My second one, not happy with it. My third one, getting happy with it. So I'm not sure what's going on with all this. Maybe there's a cushion cover in my future. So grab whatever yarn you have. I'm using a whole bunch, just whatever matches my fabric and different textures. If you just have regular acrylic, just use regular acrylic. It's totally fine. It's just a little bag, something super cute. So get all these things ready, and I will see you in the next video. Stay hooked.